Ito po yung aming reporter, si Liz.
Hi!
Salukuyan kami naglalakad ngayon sa Tayuman.
Hi, I'm Liz.
Ayan, hello.
You can
She's
also
so
call-
pretty, di ba? Crush niyo ba siya? Gusto niyo hingin yung number niya? Just tell me.
Okay, my number
Okay.
is 87,000.
Ayun po, may mga boys. Oh my gosh, the boys. Oh, here's the guard. Oh my gosh. Let's have some interview. Hello, guard. Say hi. Say hi. Ito po yung mga aming mga kasama. Sila Carol, Banawa. Sila, Pon. Ayan. Hey, Liz! Wait for me. O kayo, magsalita kayo. What can you say?
I can say is
YFEU.
Y
YFEU.
W-H-Y.
Oh, lul! Bakit? Ito, tanong natin si Kuya. YFEU. 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 Okay, now we're here. Finally here, okay. Okay, we have some fun. We had so fun. Lumabas ka na, YFEU. Ay, lumabas ka na, wala kang kwenta dito. Okay, so we're here now. Okay, so we're just waiting for our barkada. We're here, Carol, and okay, okay, let's go again. And the cooperative bookstore, okay? Hindi na ako naloob.